Hello everyone. We are back with our another video of learning data science with Mridul, which in which I'll be teaching you by taking the reference of my website, which is datasciencewithmridul.versal.app. You can also read the documentation written over here. So we were done with our first, uh, the second one, and the third one. The first three milestones were done by us. So we will be starting the fourth milestone, which is explanatory data analysis and versus hypothesis testing, basically. The video will be more dedicated towards the explanatory data analysis. So yeah, explanatory data analysis is an approach to analyze data to summarize main characters, often the visual methods. In explanatory data analysis or in EDA, our main approach is to summarize the characters using various visual methods, using graphs and all. And it differs from hypothesis testing in such a way that Mm, I should say this hypothesis testing is more of a formal and aims in in terms of validation, whereas the explanatory data analysis focuses on to merge up things and to for example, if we take an example of graphs overlay or response overlay, which we will be using in our graphs during this video. So we will be using a single graph, but it will be showing uh, basically various types of data, like various categories of data into a single graph. So these will be the topics we will be exploring here, like bar graphs with response overlay. I'll let you know, guys, that how to construct bar graphs with response overlay using Python, and the contingency tables, in which we will be basically showing the relation between two variables or the two columns of our data set, histograms with response overlay, and XYZ various kind of things. You can also refer the code which is written over here on the website, as well as you can also refer the code I'll be showing you guys through my shared screen. So yeah, this is the part of code. This much code which we have already discussed in the first lecture, that what sort of things are taking place here. The main part which will we be studying here is from these functions which I have written over here. So yeah, just a second. The steps of the first video will also be I'll be displaying them while I'll run the Python program, as they are the part of the same file only. I'm not using that, what do we call it? I'm not using the the Google Colab right now. I'm using the VS Code only. So yeah, we have functions like create bar graph, create age graph, perform age binning. You can also take references from here. So binning, you guys might have not heard this term binning. So here in the last section of the website, it is also written here how to perform binning based on predictive values using Python. You can also refer here. So you can basically read from here. Binning involves grouping numerical data into bins or categories. For example, as we converted the education related information of the users into the numeric data, so basically we can bin, we can group them according to their educational or basically educational qualifications. So it will be termed as binning of the numerical data on the basis of predictive values. This is useful for predictive models. Here's how to bin the age column based on the value. So here is the code. You can refer this or the one which I will be explaining you through these videos. Yeah. So we also have a function which is called the main function, which will be called from here, and it will call all the respective functions which are given over here. So basically, the main function is called inside this if block. So let me just write the name of the file. Oh, just a second. Eh, This will be more helpful for you guys. This part is the execution of our the code which we discussed in the last video, and here comes the execution of the part I was saying, guys, like of the response overlays graph and all. These bar graphs represents two values, or I should say that two types of infer it gives us two types of information in terms of yes and no, which this data has been taken from the user data which was given to us in terms of the last calls which are made, and these are the normalized histograms as I discussed normalization in our previous videos. Here we have the histogram of age with response overlay, and here is the normalized histogram of age with response overlay. Here comes the what should I say that the graph for the age group according to their satisfaction with us, and here is the binning of the age group, like for example from 0 to 30 years, and yeah, their responses in terms of yes and no. And I'll also let you guys see the contingency table which is displayed over here by running the code I told you guys. This is just a second. Here, here it comes. It is also a part of the table only. My bad. Just give me a second. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. So yeah. These are the things for explanatory data analysis, in which we basically make the response overlay graphs and combine two fields into one to basically to I should say to summarize our the data which is given to us, and to make it into a more representational form, and also finding new relation between two variables or the two columns of the data set which we are provided, which the things which we do in this phase are more helpful to us when it comes to prediction. As I wrote here, that binning also helps us in prediction. Also, these tables we construct gives us the relation between two values, or I should say that between two different categorical variables, which helps us to summarize the tables into a better visual form. Also to use it for our future testing and all purpose. So I hope you guys understood all the things. Mm. So your task is to to just a second. Your task, the task after this video, after watching this video, will be you have to download this UCI Bank marketing dataset from the provided link, and you have to perform the operations I have told you, or I have made you learn. I have made you guys learn since the first video, and you basically keep it as a as a project of yours, or you can display it on LinkedIn and all, and you can just edge yourself everywhere. So thank you for watching this video. We will be mm, learning the next topic in the next video, which is just a second. I think my internet is not working. Yeah. So yeah, I'll let you know, guys. I'll let you guys know that what is our next topic. I think there is a some error kind of thing in my network. So thank you so much for watching.